हेलो गाइज। तो आज और कुछ क्वेश्चंस लेके आया हूँ फिजिक्स का। ये सब बेसिक लेवल का एमसीक्यूज है। तो शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट का। ऑडिबल रेंज ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 20 हर्ट्स टू 20,000 हर्ट्स। तो ऑप्शन देखें तो ऑप्शन 2000 ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट। 20 to 20,000 हर्ट्स ऑडिबल रेंज ऑफ फ्रीक्वेंसी इज ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट। नेक्स्ट इज वेलोसिटी ऑफ साउंड is maximum in solid, liquid, gas, same in all this. तो velocity of sound is maximum in option A is correct, solid में velocity of sound is maximum. Next is sound waves are transverse, longitudinal, electromagnetic and none of these. तो sound waves are option B is correct, longitudinal. Next is electromagnetic waves have usually high frequency and low wavelength, high frequency and high wavelength, low frequency, low wavelength, low high wavelength. So electromagnetic waves have usually option A is correct, high frequency and low wavelength. Electromagnetic waves have usually option A is correct, high frequency and low wavelength. Next question is, in a gaseous medium, a sound wave is longitudinal, transverse, both longitudinal, transverse, neither longitudinal nor transverse. So in a gaseous medium, a sound wave is option A is correct. In a gaseous medium, a sound wave is longitudinal. Next is speed of sound wave in water is about. So speed of sound wave in water is about option देखें तो option 300, 900, 1500 meter per second. Speed of sound wave in water is 1500 meter per second. Next is density of air is higher at rarefaction, compression, same at both, nothing can be predicted. Option B is correct, compressions. The density of air is higher at compressions. Next is sound waves cannot travel in. साउंड वेव जो है ऑप्शन में से कौन सा ऑप्शन में ट्रेवल नहीं करता है? तो वैक्यूम, वाटर, स्टील, ऑयल. ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, साउंड वेव्स कैन नॉट ट्रेवल इन वैक्यूम. नेक्स्ट इज व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हैज़ द हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी. ऑप्शन में से कौन सा हाईएस्ट फ्रीक्वेंसी है? ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, गामा रेज. Which of the following has the highest frequency? Option D is correct, gamma rays. Next is which of the following has the highest upper limit of audible range? Which of the following ऑप्शन में से कौन सा हाईएस्ट अपर लिमिट ऑफ ऑडिबल रेंज है? तो ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है डॉग, डॉल्फिन, बैट, ह्यूमन बीइंग. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट, बैट. Which of the following is the highest upper limit of audible range? Bat. Next is focal length of a plane mirror is. प्लेन मिरर का फोकल लेंथ बताना है. तो द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ ए प्लेन मिरर इज 0, पॉजिटिव, नेगेटिव, इन्फिनिटी. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, इन्फिनिटी. द फोकल लेंथ ऑफ ए प्लेन मिरर इज इन्फिनिटी. नेक्स्ट इज द इमेज फाउंड बाय ए प्लेन मिरर. तो इमेज फाउंड बाय ए प्लेन मिरर इज ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है real, virtual, maybe both real, virtual and none of these. The image formed by a plane mirror is option B is correct, virtual image. Next is a converging mirror is a plane, convex, concave, all of these. Option C is correct. A converging mirror is a concave mirror. Concave mirror जो है ये converging mirror है. Next is refractive index of air is. तो refractive index of air is 1. Option C is correct. Refractive index of air is 1. Next question is convex lens produces a real image only, virtual image only, both real and virtual images, none of these. A convex lens produces, option C is correct, both real and virtual images. नेक्स्ट इज concave lens produces. A concave lens produces a real image only, virtual image, both real, virtual, none of these. So concave lens produces virtual image. Concave lens produces virtual image, and convex lens produces both real and virtual image. Convex lens produces both real and virtual, and only convex lens produce, option B is correct, virtual image only. Next, the number of images formed when an object is placed between two plane mirrors inclined at an angle of 60 degrees is. The number of images formed when an object is placed between two plane mirrors inclined at an angle of 60 degrees is 5, 6, 7, 8. Option A is correct, 5. The number of images formed when an object is placed between two plane mirrors inclined at an angle of 60 degrees is 5. Next is velocity of light is maximum in. Velocity of light is maximum in air, glass, water, diamond. Option A is correct. Velocity of light is maximum in air. Next is a convex mirror. Convex mirror in the image. In a convex mirror, the image is always formed behind the mirror, always virtual, smaller than the object erect, always formed between focus and the pole, all the above. Option D is correct. A convex mirror सब फॉर्म करता है, तो a convex mirror, the image is always formed behind the mirror, always virtual, smaller than the object erect, always formed between the focus and the pole. Option D is correct, all of the above. Next question is the refractive index of a diamond is. The refractive index of a diamond is 1.52, 1.65, 2.0, 2.42. The refractive index of a diamond is, option D is correct, 2.42. 2.42. Next is convex lens produce. A convex lens produce, ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है, तो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस जो है प्रोड्यूस करता है बोथ रियल एंड वर्चुअल इमेज को. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. कॉन्वेक्स लेंस फॉर्म्स बोथ रियल एंड वर्चुअल इमेज. नेक्स्ट इज कॉन्केव लेंस फॉर्म. कॉन्केव लेंस क्या फॉर्म करता है, ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है, ऑलवेज वर्चुअल इरेक्ट एंड डिमिनिश्ड इमेज, ऑलवेज वर्चुअल इरेक्ट एंड एनलार्ज इमेज, both real and virtual image, always real, inverted and diminished image. So a concave lens forms, option A is correct, always virtual, erect and diminished image. A concave lens forms always virtual, erect and diminished image. Next is the part of the eye responsible for sensing color is pupil, cones on the retina, cornea, iris. The part of the eye responsible for sensing color is, option B is correct, cones on the retina. The part of the eye responsible for sensing color is cones on the retina. Next is primary colors are. तो प्राइमरी कलर्स ऑप्शन में से कौन सा को बोला जाता है, तो प्राइमरी कलर जो होता है ये रेड, ग्रीन एंड ब्लू को बोला जाता है. द प्राइमरी कलर्स आर, ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट, रेड, ग्रीन एंड ब्लू. Next is a prism is bounded by dash surfaces. A prism is bounded by 5 surfaces. Option B is correct. A prism is bounded by 5 surfaces. Next is the sky appears blue due to reflection, refraction, dispersion and diffraction. So the sky appears blue due to, option C is correct, dispersion of light. Next question is what type of lens is used to correct hypermetropia. हाइपरमेट्रोपिया में कौन सा लेंस को यूज़ करके करेक्ट किया जाता है, कॉन्वेक्स, कॉन्केव एंड प्लेनो कॉन्वेक्स, कॉन्वेक्स और कॉन्केव लेंस. तो ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट, कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. हाइपरमेट्रोपिया में कॉन्वेक्स लेंस को यूज़ करके करेक्ट किया जाता है. Next is which of the while passing through a lens, light is refracted once, twice, thrice cannot be predicted. So while passing through a lens, light is refracted twice. Option B is correct. While passing through a lens, light is refracted twice. Next is atmospheric velocity was discovered by. Question 130 is atmospheric electricity. Atmospheric electricity was discovered by. किसने डिस्कवर किया था एटमॉस्फेरिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को? तो बेंजामिन फ्रैंकलिन. ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. बेंजामिन फ्रैंकलिन. एटमॉस्फेरिक इलेक्ट्रिसिटी was discovered by Benjamin Franklin. Next question. SI unit of Coulomb. SI unit of Coulomb is charge. Option A is correct. SI unit of Coulomb is charge. Next is which of the following is a conductor? कौन सा कंडक्टर है? इबोनाइट, ग्राफाइट, ग्लास, डिस्टिल वाटर. तो which of the following is a conductor बोला है, तो ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. ग्राफाइट. ग्राफाइट इज ए कंडक्टर. Next is the electric potential of a charge at infinity is. Electric potential of a charge at a infinity is 0, infinite, 1 volt and none of the above. Electric potential of a charge at infinity is 0. Option A is correct. Next is which of the following is not a primary cell? कौन सा प्राइमरी सेल नहीं है? तो डाइनियल भी प्राइमरी सेल है, ड्राइसेल भी है, मर्क्यूरी है. ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट. निकल कैडमियम सेल इज नॉट ए प्राइमरी सेल. नेक्स्ट इज ओम्स लॉ होल्ड फॉर ए. ओम्स लॉ होल्ड फॉर ए कॉपर वायर. ऑप्शन क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है ओम्स लॉ होल्ड फॉर ए कॉपर वायर. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट. कॉपर वायर. नेक्स्ट इज यूनिट ऑफ कंडक्टेंस. तो यूनिट ऑफ कंडक्टेंस इज ऑप्शन दिया हुआ है ओम मीटर, कोलाम, ओम, मोह. तो यूनिट ऑफ कंडक्टेंस इज मोह. मोह या बोल सकते हो. यूनिट ऑफ कंडक्टेंस इज साइमेंस. साइमेंस एंड मोह भी बोला जाता है. तो ऑप्शन डी इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट इज गुड कंडक्टर. गुड कंडक्टर हैव many loosely bound. Good conductor have many loosely bound neutron, proton, electron atoms. Option C is correct. Electron. Good conductor have many loosely bound electron. Next is the phenomenon that an electric current is capable of producing a magnetic field was first discovered by. The phenomenon that an electric current is capable of producing magnetic field was first discovered by Faraday, Ampere, Oersted, Maxwell. Option C is correct. Oersted. The phenomenon that an electric current is capable of producing a magnetic field was first discovered by Oersted. Next is kinetic energy is a vector quantity, a scalar quantity, neither scalar nor vector, sometimes scalar and sometimes vector quantity. Option B is correct. Scalar quantity. Kinetic energy is a scalar quantity. Next is so 140 question. 1 kilowatt hour equals to. So 1 kilowatt hour equals to option D is correct. 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. 1 kilowatt hour equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Next is 1 kilojoule is equal to 1 kilojoule is equal to 10 to the power 10 hertz. Option D, C is correct. 1 kilojoule is equal to 10 to the power 10 hertz. Next is 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Option A is correct. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. Next is when a coil spring is compressed, some work is done on it. When a coil spring is compressed, some work is done on it. The elastic potential energy decreases, increases, neither decrease nor increase, becomes 0. Option B is correct. When a coil spring is compressed, some work is done on it. The elastic potential energy is increases. Option B is correct. Next is Energy consumed per unit during sleeping is, so energy consumed per unit during sleeping, option A is correct, 3.2 kilojoule. Energy consumed per unit, energy consumed per minute during sleeping is, option A is correct, 3.2 kilojoule.